gentlemen, I'm so excited. It is officially time for the Protector Symposium 6.0 Apocalypse coming at you. This Protector Symposium is different than any other symposiums I've put together because this one is geared towards and designed to help you not only with the skills that you may need to survive a one-on-one or force-on-force encounter, but it's also designed to give you the principles and tactics and strategies that you're going to need to protect your family in the face of a number of different catastrophes that we are facing. We have an amazing lineup this year, which is designed to deliver that value to you. Thomas Coyne Survival School, one of the top survival schools in the world, employed by a number of top agencies. We've got John Burke coming in, who's one of the Gracie Jiu-Jitsu family's first black belts, U.S. black belts in the game. He's been doing what he's been doing for many decades and teaching some of the top agencies. We've got Ed Calderon teaching something that is special. I don't know if you can get this course anywhere else, to be completely honest with you. He's going to be teaching urban disruption. So what happens if you're occupied by a larger force? What if we are invaded? Or what if it's just that, you know, the grid goes down, the collapse of the dollar takes place? The protective driving package by none other than the infamous Rick Sweeney, who's the best executive protection instructor I've personally ever sat under. He conducts operations in high-risk areas. So Rick specializes in high-risk executive protection operations overseas in environments that are non-permissive and places like that. And one of the primary tools you have to know how to use is a vehicle, right? Next up, we've got the infamous Craig Douglas, personal favorite SME to work with. He's a gentleman, he's a scholar. He has been teaching agencies Man CQB. And Man CQB is something we touch on multiple times because it's the hardest type of CQB. Last but not least, we've got someone I've been wanting to work with for years, the infamous Clint Emerson, right? 100 Deadly Skills, man, amongst many other seminal works in the protection industry. So it is time for the Protector Symposium 6.0. I am so excited to bring this to you. The theme is apocalypse as we face a number of different catastrophes in the world. And I look forward to making this one another amazing symposium with you guys. So until then, I look forward to shaking hands with you guys. I look forward to training with all you guys and having another amazing event. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade, reminding you to be peaceful, but not harmless. Out. Yo, go to protectorsymposium.com to get your tickets while they last. They're gonna run out. This event is a once-in-a-lifetime training opportunity, literally.